All right, we just made it out to Kate Sessions Loop. We're gonna go ahead and walk this one real quick. Got my son in the backpack, got my wife with me. Just holding the camera right now. And as you can see real quick, I'll show you behind me, that's the parking you park on residential streets. And then the signage up here is pretty typical for a trail. The only caveat here is trying to get through this fence with my son on my backpack. So that should be fun. And it'll definitely block you from bringing a stroller. So keep that in mind. That hike was about 0.8 miles with 135 feet of elevation gain. It took us just about 20 minutes to complete. You can go ahead and you see that on the side here with all the stats and everything. And it was a great little hike for our son. You'll see that he was in the backpack for the first half. Second half, he liked running up the hill on his own. It's a big, wide open trail, so it's really safe. And on a clear day, you can see all of the San Diego Bay, which is absolutely beautiful. If you find these videos helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I would appreciate it. And also look out for the extended cut where I just put the extended version of the video out there, so you could do trail research, watch it on the treadmill, whatever you want. And also just, hey, have a great day. See you next time.